Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to blur a background in Canva. As always, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, as it really helps out the channel. So let's get into the video. So you can see right now, I have uploaded this image and I came over here, click on uploads, select two of these images because I'm going to show you what I did here. The first thing I did is I took exactly two of the images. So I just double clicked on the left there. And what I did is I brought both of them in. And on this first image, I'm just going to do BG remover. Okay, so you can see that I've got the exact same size. It's just this image on the top has the background. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this image. I'm going to click on edit over here. And now I'm going to click on the blur. So now I want to increase the intensity of the whole image. So I'm just going to click the intensity until how I like it. And then I'm going to click on back. And now you can see that you have a blurred background image. And now I'm just going to click on one of these images. I'm going to right click. I'm going to click on layer and bring to front. And now I'm just going to replace it on top of where it was right there. And that's how I do a blurred background image. There's another way that I'll do, which I'll show in the next video. So as always, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.